Today is day 33, guys, and we have reached monetization. We've got more than 1,000 subscribers and more than 4,000 hours. So congratulations to you and to us for reaching monetization. Now, if you haven't watched the videos that we made, the 32 videos where I show you step by step exactly what you need to do, go ahead and check them out, because I'm going to give you, and I've told you what you need to do, how you need to do it, and what things to look out for and what things to actually stay away from. Now, if you do all the things that I've told you and you apply these strategy, you can actually get your channel monetized and reach this point in just 33 days. So in today's video, I'm going to actually show you what you need to do and how you can apply for monetization. There are certain steps you need to consider. Now, before I get into that, guys, I want to mention that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and share this video, guys, with all your friends and families and with all those individuals that are thinking of starting YouTube automation, because these videos will definitely help them and answer a lot of questions that people tend to have when they start YouTube automation. So let's get into the video now. Now, as you can see, this is Health Vibe Zone, the channel that I was using as an example to show you how you can actually get a brand new channel which had no subscribers on day one to more than 1,480 subscribers and in 47 videos that we achieved. Now, if I head over to the dashboard, you'll be able to see that we have 1,491 subscribers and we gained 1,238 subscribers in 28 days. And today is day 33. We have more than 5,600 hours, guys, and we need only 4,000 hours to actually get monetized. Now, in the previous videos that I showed you in day 32, in day 31, in day 30, there were certain things that we were changing, and I applied those changes and I showed you when you change those elements within your videos will start moving and you'll be able to get more views, subscribers, and watch time. So now let's check out the analytics. Now, on the analytics, you will be able to clearly see that we have actually reached 34,671 views in the last 48 hours. We have 97,000 views in the last 28 days, and we have more than 5,600 hours of watch time and more than 1,200 subscribers. And if you hover over here, you'll be able to see that we are actually doing really well, and the channel views are up 330% due to more interest in 1 hour videos. Now, if I go and check out the 7 days, you'll be able to see the changes that we made over here when I made this video, which is available, which I think is day 31 and day 32, when we added another video, then we added another video, and see how the views started to get up. Now, until this particular time of May 4th, we had 16,425 views in one single day. The data that we get is for 48 hours. That means 2 days worth data that we're getting. And this is information that we have right now. The thing that you need to understand is that in the last 7 days, we were able to achieve 3,000 watch hours, 53,000 views, and we gained 504 subscribers. Remember, guys, these videos that I created, the 33 videos that I've made that are available on 10 Automation, which is a basis upon which that you can actually start your own channel. There are things that I've spoken about which are very crucial for you to understand, and I am available over here to help you on your journey. The reason why I made these videos and the channel that I actually created was absolutely new. There was no subscribers, there were no videos on top of it, and I showed you in detail the analytics and every single day what we did to reach this point. It's not difficult, guys, but you need to remain consistent and you need to apply all the strategies that I've spoken about in these 33 videos. If you're able to stick with that, and if you're able to do that, you'll be able to get your channel monetized. Now, let's head over and check out earning. Now, this is very crucial for you to understand, guys, because we want to join the YouTube partner program to earn money so we can get creator support and so much more. Now, there are many ways that we can earn, and I'll show you each of these methods once we actually get monetized after we apply for it. Now, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see that we have 3,650 public watch hours in the last 365 days. We need 4,000 to get monetized, but we've achieved 1,491 subscribers. Now, you might be thinking that in the analytics, if I go back, I showed you that we actually in 28 days achieved 5,600 hours. Now, why is the fact that YouTube is actually showing us that we have less hours available? This is a common question which a lot of people tend to ask. So I'm going to show you what it says, which is very important, that this is the data that they're showing from May 1st. Today is May 6th, and they've carefully validated each channel's engagement metrics before they are displayed here. This process may take several days to complete and may vary from what you see elsewhere, such as the YouTube analytics. Now, the most important word to actually focus on is carefully validate. What does that mean? Now, this is something that I have mentioned throughout every single one of my videos, the 33 videos that have come. There is not a single video that I've not mentioned this. Please, guys, do understand that you cannot actually play around with the YouTube algorithm. YouTube, as a huge team, has AIs, has individuals that understand what they're doing, and they've put in different metrics to support, guide, and protect content creators. You cannot use inorganic methods. You cannot pay someone and get yourself monetized. You cannot use different ads to get monetization. You need to be organic. And the reason why they carefully validate every single metric is to determine what is an organic growth. Now, I've shown you, and I will show you again on my channel, how we actually achieve that. And our growth is completely organic. Now, I will show you in the analytics. When I go over there and I scroll right up, you'll see the advanced mode. Once I click the advanced mode, I'm going to show you where the traffic source was coming from on our videos. You can see all the information over here. You can see that we are getting it from the browser feature and from YouTube search. Now, this is the browser feature. We have 77,000 views that we got from the browser features. There is 17,000 views that we got from the suggested videos. Now, if I hover over here, this is traffic from the home page or home screen, the subscription feed, and other browsing features, which is on YouTube, guys. And YouTube itself is showing these videos to people. And the suggested videos are suggestions appearing alongside or after other videos that are on YouTube. If I scroll down, you'll be able to see there is no view that we've received from ads. There is no views that we received that are from external sources. These external sources, if I click on them, you'll be able to see that these are from WhatsApp, from YouTube, from Facebook, where people are sharing our videos with their friends and families. There is no ads that are showing our videos. We have not put any sort of elements on our videos to show it to people and to get in organic growth. These are all organic methods that we've used in order to achieve monetization. You can do it as well, as long as you stick with the methodologies that I've spoken about in the last 32 videos. The browse feature, home was the biggest one, and home is the home page from which you can actually watch these videos, where 76,000 people came and we had 1.2 million impressions. Remember, guys, organic growth is proper growth. Now, once YouTube actually goes through our channel, checks all the information, and allows me to be eligible for monetization, it will automatically get me monetized. And once I get monetized, you'll be able to see how much I'm gonna make on every single video. And I'm gonna show you every single video, how much it earns, and how I can increase my income from this channel. So if you're an individual that is thinking about earning passive income, if you're an individual that wants to earn money while you sleep, and if you're an individual that is looking for a side hustle, then these 33 videos are very crucial for you to watch. And if you're thinking about starting YouTube automation, or you know anyone that is thinking about getting into YouTube automation, then do share these videos with them, because they will greatly benefit from it. Remember, guys, organic growth, stay consistent, stay persistent, do your research, create engaging content, and you'll be able to achieve monetization in a short span of period, like I did in just 33 days. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Share your thoughts with me in the comments below, share your questions with me in the comment below, share your channel with me on WhatsApp and on our Discord so I can review it and give you my insight on what you're doing wrong or what you can improve on your channel. Stay tuned for our next video, where I'll show you once we've got monetized and how much money we'll start making from these videos that we have on Health Vibe Zone. So stay tuned for that video. Until then, take care.